Such admissions indicate that the relationship between the appellant and her husband was good. But in para 18 within bracket H of his WS, the respondent alleged that on an occasion of the birthday of their son, he paid rupees 1000 to his wife for celebration of the birthday of their son. But the ungrateful, deceitful, and wily appellant spent the money for the purpose of sending a legal notice to him. In para 18 within bracket 1, in the WS, the respondent has further alleged that the appellant, if divorced, will try for a second marriage and make a bargain similar to that made with him. The respondent in the same paragraph has also described the appellant as ungrateful, selfish, treacherous, and stupid. The respondent picked up a case in the trial that the appellant is maintaining an extramarital relationship with a man. But when the allegation was raised during the cross-examination of the appellant honestly admitted that she had a relationship with a boy during his student life and prior to her marriage, and she served the relationship after marriage. But still, at the concluding part of the cross-examination of the appellant, a suggestion was put to the appellant from the respondent's side to the effect that the appellant wanted divorce for such extramarital relationship. Even thereafter, in para 21 of his examination in chief, the respondent repeated the allegations and attributed illegal and immoral acts to the appellant. It is needed to be mentioned that the respondent has miserably failed to prove any of his allegations against his wife described above. So, all those allegations of the respondent against the appellant are considered as baseless and vexatious. In para 21 of his examination in chief, the respondent has asserted that in spite of illegal and all immoral activities, he is ready and willing to lead happy conjugal life with his wife. According to the learned trial judge, such an offer of the respondent is a generosity and reflects a very broad mind of the respondent. But in our considered view, learned trial judge is wrong on the point. In the decision reported in AIR 2003 Supreme Court 2462, it has been laid down that unfounded allegations by the husband assailing the moral character and chastity of the wife in his written statement amount to the worst form of insult and cruelty sufficient by itself to pass a decree of divorce in favor of the wife. It should be also noted that in that case, although the husband had withdrawn such allegations by subsequent amendment of his written statement, but still Honorable Apex Court came to the aforesaid view. A similar view has been reiterated also in the case reported in AIR 2013 Supreme Court 2176, in another case reported in 2004 within bracket 3 CHN 516 within bracket Kakuli Das versus Ashish Kumar Das. This High Court also expressed the view that unfounded allegations against the moral character of a spouse by the other spouse in the written statement amount to mental cruelty. It has been discussed earlier in detail that the respondent in his written statement as well as during the evidence has assailed the character of the appellant by describing her ungrateful, selfish, treacherous and stupid. It has also been asserted by the respondent that the appellant has been maintaining an extramarital relationship because of which she wants divorce. As such, allegations are baseless as held above. The appellant is highly educated woman and she is a lecturer of a college. It is definitely very difficult for her to digest such kind of insult, humiliation and accept the mental pain and agony resulting from them. The parties are living separately and fighting the litigations for about 15 years. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.